Good morning, you guys, and a happy Vlogmas day 20. So we're about to head off the island for a few errands and also to get our nails done. So I will take you along for that. We're done getting our nails done, so this is what they look like. I really like getting the darker reds in the Christmas time. I just feel like it's the most flattering one for my skin tone and just the holiday season. And now I'm ordering online on the app for Chipotle to get that before running a few errands. All right, you guys, checking in again. Had lunch. I've been running a few different errands and sending out a bunch of emails today for work. And now I'm gonna head over to Target because I have a few things that I need to pick up. Okay, you guys, we are back at home after running some errands, and it is time to do our advent calendars. It is day 20. It's so hard to believe that it's 5 days till Christmas. Already in their sitting position, ready to go. They both get little squares. So now we'll move on to the Bocce's Bakery one. So it should be day 8. Maybe. It'll open. All right, there, same little bee treats from Bocce's Bakery. And that's their little advent treats for today. So now I had a few packages arrive while I was gone today, so I'm gonna go unbox those next. I had 2 packages arrive while I was gone, and the first one that I have to show you guys is from Free People. So I was pleasantly surprised to see that this one came today. I ordered it on Sunday online, and now it is here on Wednesday. So let me open that and I'll show you what I got. So the first item that I got was actually a set, and I believe it's called the Mariner set. I will have it linked down below in case you're interested in getting it. So this is what the top looks like. It's a nice sweater, really cute stripes on it. And I feel like on camera it picks up that the stripes, at least one of them looks like it's red, but it's actually pink. And then it has the matching bottoms that are also long as well. So I'm really excited about these, and I do plan on wearing them in an upcoming vlog. So that will be when I'm traveling to St. Augustine, Florida in the next few days. So that's when you can see the try-on portion of this. The second item that I got was a pair of pants. So they're the Quinn pants in black. So let me unbox that and show that to you guys. The Quinn pants are a really nice wide leg pant. And I think on some people it's gonna look cropped. I think on me it's gonna look pretty full length. I plan on wearing this with more form-fitting tops or even like bandeaus and things like that, strapless tops. So I thought these would be really fun. I've been looking for some wide leg pants since I lost quite a few of those when I went through Hurricane Ian and lost a lot of my items. So I'm excited about these. All of the items that I get from Free People, I always get them in an extra small. That's just the size that I wear there. I will put down my measurements below and I'll put the sizing for these items too. But just gives you kind of a reference for sizing if you think you are similar in size to me. Hopefully that will help. I also know that I don't typically see extra smalls. These were all extra smalls, but if I had the option for extra small and Free People, I probably would do that. So I bought the G7X Mark III, and I got the creator kit with it. I know you can also get this at Best Buy, but I ordered it from Canon directly. So it comes with the camera, a tripod with a Bluetooth remote. It actually comes with a memory card and an extra battery pack. So I'm gonna open this up and show you everything that's in there. I had originally ordered this camera before the Nikon Z30, which is the one I'm filming on right now. But I was able to get the Nikon before I was able to get this one, so I'm interested to compare the two. And I also know that for this camera, the G7X, a lot of people have been raving about the quality for pictures. particularly using them in comparison to the iPhone and then the G7X for their Instagram photos. So here is the little tripod that it comes with. Here is the battery pack and another SD card, which you can never have too many of these, I can tell you that much. It gives directions on how to use the remote, so I'll need to look more into that. And here is the camera. Of course, this comes the day that I just got my nails done, so I don't want to bust those up. Okay. Okay, good. So here is the battery charger. So now I have 2 batteries for this specific camera. And here's another battery for it. So I have 2 batteries now. So right away, one big difference between my 2 cameras is that this one is definitely smaller. So I'm excited for this. This reminds me of days when I used to use a digital camera all the time, and it's coming back. So you know you can flip this up. So if you're filming, you can do vertical, is what I've heard. So I'm excited about this, you guys. And I'll do probably a more in-depth video of how I like it in the future. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Also, it's important to know if you're wanting to use things and you're starting to get into creating content like I've done, I got the creator kit for this one, and I also got the creator kit for the Nikon as well, which is the one that I'm filming on. So I feel like that's super helpful when you're starting out, just getting you kind of the basics of what you need. All right, you guys, so we decided to go get dinner, and the traffic on Sanibel is absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever seen it this bad, which is saying a lot, because on Sanibel, especially during season from 2 to 7, getting off of the island is extremely difficult. But right now, since Hurricane Ian, we're dealing with construction work on pretty much every single property, so it backs up very easily. We have construction work being done on the causeways, so we're down to 1 lane. And in addition to that, we're doing a re-nourishment project on our beaches because we lost over, I think, 400,000 tons of sand. So they're trying to re-nourish that, but instead of dredging it, they're coming over with trucks, and they come over with like 300 some trucks a day, and they do it about 3 times a day. So that is also holding up traffic. So it's only 4:30 now, and I have never seen this so backed up in my life to get off the island. I'm talking every main road, even back roads, neighborhoods. I have never seen anything like this. So with all of that being said, we're gonna head the opposite direction and head towards Captiva and have dinner there and kind of wait it out, have dinner, enjoy ourselves, because this traffic, we're not gonna be able to get back home for several hours at this point. Okay, you guys, it is a little bit later now, and by a little bit, it's been several hours. It's almost 8 o'clock, and the last time I checked in, it was around 4. The traffic on Sanibel is still horrendous, is what I've been told and what I can see on the live cameras. It is a complete gridlock. In my 5 years of living here, I have never seen anything this bad before. So I will keep you updated and how we can get home and how long it takes us.